Okay, I have a product here from EC Technologies. It's a wireless keyboard that is actually foldable. Here it is, foldable keyboard by EC Technology. Their website is iectechnology.com. If we take a look at the back, it says, excuse my shadow, compatible iOS, Android and Windows. It actually says it's made of aluminium, up to 10 meters, standby time 500 plus days. So if you have this on standby, not actually using it, it will last for 500 days, its battery without recharging. It's a lithium battery with 800 milliamps. It will last about 5 hours being used. Its battery lifetime is about 3 years. And it does say it is an aluminium keyboard. So let's just take a look. Let's open it up and see what we've got inside. Okay, here we are, very small. First thing I notice is it's very small and it's folded up. Here is a USB. It looks like it uses... is it mini? Actually, it looks fatter than mini. Well, anyway, it comes with a USB to charge it. Inside is the keyboard itself and a little instruction manual, and I think that's it. Yeah, let's put the box to one side. Here is the manual. Basically, it has some specifications in it, which basically says, you know, up to 10 meter range, and some other details and weight, things like that. Then you have instructions for use, how to contact them, and then some foreign languages. Here is the keyboard itself. As you can see, it is actually aluminium with their logo on it. So let's unfold it. There we go. Easily unfolds. And the power light came on straight away, even though I haven't charged this yet. You can sort of see the size. Here's my hand, right at the base here. Just over the length of my hand. And up is a lot shorter. So it's a very nice looking keyboard. Okay, so here it is out of the packaging. As you can see, it is one of the smaller size keyboards to be small, portable and easy to fold. So there isn't a delete key, just a backspace key. However, I haven't tried this yet, but in Windows you should be able to configure sort of a shortcut like say Alt backspace to be a forward delete. In Mac you can. In Mac you use Command backspace if you don't have a delete key on the Mac Pro, whatever it is you're using. So that shouldn't be a problem if you're using Windows. I'm not sure about iOS or Android though. You have no F keys, F1, F2. You've got basically 1, 2, 3, 4 it starts at, with an escape key. It's also some other keys as well. You have then 0, plus, minus, backspace here. You then have tab, then it goes from Q to P, then brackets, then backslash, caps lock key, which I noticed doesn't seem to have a light. Then A to L, your colon and stuff like that here, your enter key. Then shift, then Z to M. Then you got your normal keys as standard there. You have another shift key next on the right of the up and down key here, and back and forth. Then you have Windows key, Alt key, backspace key, Alt key, Windows key, function key, and control key. And that's what the back looks like when it's open. Aluminium. The front is also aluminium if you feel there, apart from the keys themselves. Then let's get a better closer look. Here's a closer look. Let's fold it again. And there you go. Right, so I've had some time to use the keyboard now, and it doesn't have any issues with connection. It's very quick and simple to set up. Of course, you will need a computer either with Bluetooth or with a Bluetooth adapter. The keys are surprisingly easy to see in low light, considering it isn't backlit or anything like that. It's very high quality, and so I do recommend it. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video, and if you could do me a huge favour and subscribe, as it'll only take a few seconds and will help me out a lot. Thanks.